Farm animals.
Cow, a large mammal that relies on grass for food, produces milk, and is used by humans to make a variety of products.
The sheep is a small domestic animal. It has small horns and white hair. It eats grass and produces wool. It is one of the most important domestic animals that humans benefit from. The goose, a large bird with a long neck, small head, short legs, and a white or gray body. It eats grasses and seeds, lives in flocks, and is a migratory bird. The horse is a large mammal with a long neck, small head, long legs, and a strong body. It eats grass and grains and is used for riding and transportation. The chicken is a small domestic bird with colorful feathers and tails. It eats grains, seeds, and insects and produces eggs. It is one of the most important pets that humans benefit from. The goat is a domestic mammal with small horns and rough fur. It eats grass and weeds, produces milk and meat, and is one of the most important pets that humans benefit from. The donkey is a medium-sized domestic mammal with a large head, long ears, a short tail, and a strong body. It eats grasses and grains and is used for riding, transportation, and carrying weights. Duck is an aquatic bird with an oval body, short tail, small head, and short legs with webbed feet. It is characterized by the ability to swim and dive. It eats plants and small animals and lives in flocks. The rabbit is a small mammal with long ears, a short tail, and a soft body. It is characterized by speed and agility. It eats herbs and vegetables and lives in groups. Thank you.